I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your account essentials. Make sure your email and phone are verified, because Twitter uses them for recovery and handle changes. Once verified, open Settings and Security and go to Username to see available handles. Type potential new @values to check availability. Pick one under 15 characters and avoid restricted words. While you're here, prepare an updated display name and bio so they match the new handle and reduce confusion when you switch. Now change the username directly. Enter the new handle in the username field and the system will instantly validate availability. Once accepted, click Save. Twitter updates mentions and your profile handle immediately, but existing links may still point to the old address. After saving, review connected apps and third-party logins. Some services use your username for authentication. Make sure any API keys, schedulers, or automations are updated to reference the new handle. So finish by performing post-change checks. Tweet an announcement and pin it so followers know your new handle, which prevents lost messages. Then test logging out and back in. If you can't sign in, use your verified email or phone to recover access. Once logged in, scan direct messages, mentions, and any third-party publishing tools to update stored usernames. If something breaks, revoke and reauthorize app permissions. That typically resolves mismatches between the old and new handle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.